Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Tinder likes without gold. So for this, first of all, just open up the Tinder application in your mobile. And when you are here, just simply tap on this chat icon in the bottom right here. And here you will see that a person who likes you, but if you try to tap on it to see who is it, it will ask you to pay or else you will never know who is it. But you can always go back to the main page where you swipe people, and that person will always, or in most of the time, be the second person right after the first one. So if you try to take it a peek right here, you will see right there, no matter how many times you close the app and we try it, just like I am doing here. You go back to Tinder, the first person changes, but the second one will be always the last person who has liked you. So let's go ahead and try to match with that person and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.